Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to explain you guys about Keyclone. Make sure to check part 2 as well, because this is just the first part, because the whole video is 14 minutes, so it can't be all in one video on YouTube. My website is www.WoWMultiVids.wordpress.com, but it's also in the description. Okay, let's start. At first you have to pay and download Keyclone. You can I will show you here how to do that. First you start up Internet Explorer. You go to www.keyclone.solidice.com, or I mean /Keyclone, because it's not working or somehow. So you can put /Keyclone behind it. Go to the downloads tab and click on the first version. It's the latest stables one. It's updated 1st of May in 2009. So yeah, that's nice. I'm not gonna install it because I already have it. So yeah, I'm going to start up Keyclone now. At first you see the message of the day box. You can click it away or wait for the 10 seconds to expire. You can see new versions and stuff in here, so yeah, that's nice. Now I'm going to explain you a little bit about Keyclone itself. To do all your stuff, you're going to the setup tab. I'm gonna show you that in a minute here. There we go. You want to go to your command editor. I already made some. At command you're going to press the name that you want for your first command, and your CPU affinity you're going to press which core you want for that command to run on. And at program you're going to your World of Warcraft folder. It's public games at my place. Then you go to wow.x. You can always check if it's an application. You see it here. Open. WoW username, you can choose to put it in or not. I like it, so it's not any virus, or it's not gonna save it or something. WoW max FPS, that's the FPS when you're not in that screen. So when you're not active in that screen. My main is going to have 30 FPS, and the maximum FPS is going to be 60 when I'm in that screen. You can either press apply or plus, but I like apply, because if you do plus you get a whole new form that you need to fill in. WoW 2, I'm going to do with that on my first core, my quad core. Your username is the second one. Then for my clones I use 25 FPS when I'm not in the screen and 45 FPS when I'm in it. And exclude from round robin, this means that if you have any keys on round robin, that only gets sent to one character and then goes to the second one. That's handy for counter spell, or let's say sheep or earthshock or something, or frost nova. You can not have it on one character, like if you're playing 4 mages and a priest. Okay, go to your third one. I'm going to do that on my third core, third username. Everything is pretty much the same. Then the fourth command, the fourth username, then the fifth. I like about this version that you can have multiple cores on one command. So I like that, instead of one with 2 commands on it. Okay, now we're gonna make some regions. You can there at the display tab you see my monitors. I have 2 monitors, and my first monitor I'm going to have my main screen with and it's full screen. I'm going to put 1600 by 1200 there. Press apply, and put region 1 there, and always enable maximizer, because I don't if you don't enable it, it's not going to work. You can choose to snap the grid or not. but I don't like it, so I have it off. Yeah, press apply, go to your second screen or whatever, press region 2 and region 3, region 4 and region 5. I'm going to play 5 characters, that's why I have 5 regions. Yeah, okay, let's go to the first screen. Like I told you before, snap the grid, you know what it means. Enable maximizer, don't forget that one because it's important. Always on top. You can basically yeah, you can minimize it then. Key map, that's for keystrokes. This you want to divide it by 2, so it's the half of your width and your height with your main screen, because it saves some stuff to calculate. With PIP, that stands for player in person, then you can switch full screen to one of your clones, and you can combine it with macros, but I'll show you that in my second video. I'm using F1 for my first for my main screen, and now I'm going to set it up for the other characters. Yeah, the reason why I have a little bit of lag is because I recorded this video already, so yeah, but it didn't work well, so I'm going to give new commentary here. Here I put F2 because it's my second clone. Here I put F3, F4 and F5, and it's on display is 2. With the enable maximizer next to it, you want to divide your width and your height by 4, so 800 by 600 will be 200 by 150. It saves your processor to calculate some stuff, so it can I'm going to copy it, so I can paste it everywhere. Okay, now I've done that. You need to go to do not pass. You can put keys here that you don't want to get sent. Basically, you can put your keys here where you walk with. So I walk with Q, W, and E and S on my main screen. So I'm going to put those there because I don't want all my characters to walk for themselves. And I'm going to press my numlock button there because I have numlock as my auto walk on my World of Warcraft mouse, and I don't want all my characters to walk. So yeah, you don't really have to click apply. You can do that at the end if you like. Next you can go to the general tab. It's not really important, only if you have 2 computers. You can press the auto connect on your second computer and put your IP address there, and all your it will auto connect when you start up Keyclone to your main computer. So if you have multiple computers, you can what's it called? You can send those keystrokes to your other computer. So yeah, that's really handy. I used to do it on my laptop, but I can do it on one computer now, so I'm not gonna do that. Key maps, not important. Language isn't either. Maximizers for your regions. MISC, you can clear the command history box. That's this little box here. You can clear the history, so it will be good again. Mouse map is for keystrokes, or for mouse strokes, I mean. That way you can either click for some stuff like yeah, what's it called, AoE. At at the override settings, if you press pause, then you can simply not send any keystrokes and stuff. Please check my second video because I'm running out of time, and there I will be talking more about these stuff.